Is anybody a one badness, not charge badness, so could no matter.
Bless you, love and greetings. Good morning, good man. Kuchin. Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Big up everybody I don't know. Life, have to make life enjoyable, you know, when it's sad. You see me I say, big up everybody out there. No matter how hard life seems, just stay positive and focused. Better must come, change, you know. Yeah. Some of viewers and subscribers, good morning. I don't know. Yeah, man. You know, we see one charge of badness. You know, a representative spoke to Terradan. So big up Terradan for hearing both sides of the party, but at some point of the interview, I don't know, I think Terradan could have tried to conduct it better, make it seems and a you know, fair, reasonable side, like the man in the middle. Yeah. At some point come like, you know, I don't know, believe Silk Boss and then I believe what the man must say. So I don't know, two sides to every story, as Romy did say. Big up everybody, big up Silk Boss and Charge Badness and Golf, but wherever, you know. Yeah, I don't know, we like to speak on matter. We are man of peace. See, I'm the man of peace. So yeah, man, we never left it. So, you know, yeah, we change the Silk Boss. So the man them attack. They must say, boy, them confirm the beating and everything, and they must say, boy, Silk Boss, nah, do nothing for the community, which is what Silk Boss said. But them deny taking his money, his 1.4 million. You see me? But my viewers and subscribers want to look out for the interview here today. Zine, with I don't know, a gentleman that was in the UK, wrongly removed from the UK, left his business and his family, them married man, you know, and he's got deported in Jamaica. So I'm gonna speak to him later on 6 p.m. UK time.
Big up Lion Food TV every time. Big up. Yeah, my name is Donald Miller. I'm originally from Jamaica. I went to England in 1996 and worked in a business, get married, have my wife and my children. Unfortunately, I was wrongfully accused and deported back to Jamaica. To hear my full story about this and other things, check me out on Lion Food TV tomorrow, England time, 6 o'clock, England time. Bye.
You see me? And also, tomorrow Thursday, I don't know, I want to look out for Silk Radio. See, I don't know, Muma Land and Self Land, and I got there, Candyman, Diamond Attitude, and Sugar. Zine, yeah, so 3 female, 1 male. Zine, the host will be Shari and I don't know, Big D. You see me I say? Yes, man, and the crew. Zine's a big up Silk Radio. You see me I say? Tune in tomorrow. Yeah, man. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, Silk Boss. My advice to Silk Boss, you just stay safe and stay away, you know? And you know, look good, because we have a next general young youth allegedly sending to be one of the one charge badness member or whatever. And he must speak, so I'm going to make on the hear myself. As a matter of fact, hear myself first.
Bro, I'm killer them, man. You hear that? I want golf and I want charge him, man. You hear that? Free bomb buckler charge, man. The whole place, man, you have to lock down, man. I ask some boy a chat, man. Well, I'm killer them ready for a note now. I want done ban. Some pussy a chat. Also, when I chat about golf and ask about golf, I want golf and a G Park, golf, Gregor Park, ask any pussy about that. You hear that? Politician, police, anybody. I want badness, not charge badness, so could no matter. One bomb buckler rule it.
You hear me say one charge badness. I don't know if this is a member of one badness or whatever they want to name. You see me I say? Or somebody trying to look a stunt. You know social media stay. You see me? But we have to tell the youth them, violence is not the way it's in. And to the alleged Dan, the Dan who them say around the place, well the brother will talk, say the Dan, you know, is be a good things him do. Be a great things him do, which is make all the youth fly out for the year and other great things in the community. Well, if you decide to be a Dan the good things and real things, see? As long as it's not foolishness, we don't have a problem with that. Me not have a problem with that. But Dan, you don't know, police target Dan and everybody target Dan. You can be a good things, you know, but don't want to be labeled as a Dan. You see what I say? But you don't know how Garrison run. Them put Dan ship on your name once you do good things or you get orders or whatever. You provide. You see what I say? Enough man say them are done and them use the money the wrong things. Is it? Yes, so they must say Silk Boss. Now do nothing to the community. Silk Boss, you know, Bria program him and him go buy a 10 grand bag of weed and Bria cuss him and say must have bills to pay and them things there. You know, so like basically it's like what they must say, him now do nothing, spend nothing back in the community upon them. And him go buy a 10 grand. When you buy a 10 grand bag of weed, you know you go straight up with your friend them. So they must say Bria cuss him and when they must spend him money and all of them things. So Bria clown him out. So them decide to clown him out too. You as want to think about that and subscribers, you know. Yeah. So them say them decide to clown him out because them give him a rhythm and him no voice the rhythm, him a long out the thing. Them invite him at the show, the treat, and him not turn up at the treat. Well, me as a youth in the garrison, I know say Silk Boss could have, if I saw it go, Silk Boss could have turned up at the treat because it takes nothing, a kid's treat, you know. You see me? You see me? Remember one of the Dan them from Spanish Town, you know, Chinatown, reach out, not him reach out, but one of them soldier them and say, yo, because remember time me thinking that boss and them link me and say them want to come at the treat, come perform. Yeah, in December there. I'm forward. I did have doubt because I don't know. I know the brother, one of the youth will link me know him on social media and see my studio. As a youth will acknowledge me and look up to me as a bigger person, you know. And I did turn up. First me I got Chinatown, I turn up and I was treated properly. I met the Dan, I was treated properly and with respect and you get me any idea of promotion for me, you see me? Yeah man, so morning Ken.
Morning.
Yes, daddy. So, you know, me turned up and I got treated good, well received. I was well accepted. Reception was good, I'm saying more feels it knows. And I'm not like one go on. You see me I say, and come back to my yard. Safe and sound, you know? Yeah, so if I saw it go, Silk Boss could have done the treat test, but as I say, maybe you never know, maybe something wrong with him voice or whatever, but we not condone violence, my viewers and subscribers. And my advice is to Silk Boss is to stay away. And at one point, them say Silk Boss, I chat them and they on different corner, run up in mouth and them man put them on speaker and they might hear what Silk Boss say and all of them. Me don't know if I true him attack or what, but as I say, when you can go over Terrordan page, go listen to the interview. Yeah man, but Silk Boss, stay away, brother, and stay safe. I pray Father God guide and protect you. And you don't know if you can find a proper management and advisor or whatever. Or if you know, I wish you all the best with you and Brie and you know, and be able to go forward soon. You see, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, I learn for another vlog. I work with them, I go up on the work now, big up on yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Say, I hold up a love and respect, guidance and protection. One charge of badness, golf, everywhere. World Jamaica, PN and everywhere. Stop the crime, live in love. Say it, I'm the man of peace. I'm out, not another word out of my mouth. Yeah, man.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love nice because me been hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and close. Me not shame for that. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up, my life wasn't easy. Believe me. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up, my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better road.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.